Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and today we're doing a project that for some reason this clip, the voice was gone, so I'm doing a voiceover right now so you can understand what I was trying to tell you. And mainly is just we want to be more organized in our space, and I'm showing you my air compressor and the lines for the air. I got two and they're all over the place. So I don't want them in the ground. I don't want them, all over the place. We want to be more organized. And I'm just showing you the space and what I'm supposed to do. And today we're going to use the 3D printer again to make this happen. And we're going to create two hooks that are going to be attached to this workbench. And then we can have everything organized. Okay, so check it out. Alright guys, so I put a light on so you could see better because it was a little dark. So now I have the two hooks. I don't know if you can see them, but there's two. And what we're going to do is just set up this in right here. Okay? So I'm going to try to do that.